Hi everyone, my name is Riya Bansali and welcome back to my channel, and today I am discussing EFT technique, which is the emotional freedom technique. This is the part 8 of the facial yoga exercises. I hope you've enjoyed the other parts. Stay tuned until the end of this amazing episode where I will teach you how to get rid of your facial tensions that you have to have a healthy, happier face. I hope you all are enjoying the series on facial yoga. It's one of my most favorite series. I have already taught you double chin exercises, exercises related to your cheeks, to your hair, how you can prevent hair graying, so many other things in my seven parts that I've already taught. This is the part 8 where I'm discussing the alternative medicine technique, which is called emotional freedom technique. Now, this has been used extensively in the West. In India, frankly speaking, I have not heard so many people use it yet, but I'm sure there are practitioners growing and learning and adapting. This is also effective. So what the technique is, that you have points where stress is built in your body, and because I am focusing only on facial yoga in this series, I'm going to be focusing only on the stress points in the face. Of course, you can try this technique anytime and anywhere, but I just want you to make sure, if you want to go ahead in this technique, just research a little more so you'll get more idea. I will not be able to explain the same here because of limitation of time. If you have certain requests, please WhatsApp it to me, please write to me on my email, visit my website or my social media pages. But I really suggest WhatsApp or commenting below is the best and the easiest way to get in touch with me. I will make any video that you want, and I will also write back to you, that's a promise. So let's get started with the facial yoga EFT. So it's very simple. You can do affirmations along with it or just simply tap. Now, how EFT is used is you're tapping like this using your 4 fingers at any, I'll show you the points that we have on our body that you have to tap on. So you just have to tap about 3 times at any point. Now, which are those points? I will tell you. So just focus on the number of points that you have to tap. One is above your eyebrows. One is here on the bone, eye bone. One is on your upper lip. One is on your lower lip, your chin. Next is here on your collarbone. Next is on the sides of your body. And last is your ribs. Here. So this is how you're going to tap. This is considered 1 round. Minimum you have to do 3 such rounds. So you go from your eyes here all the way till your ribs once, twice and thrice. And you have to tap 3 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So these are 7 points that you have that you can tap in the night. I suggest if you're somebody who is usually experiencing a lot of stress, it tends to build up on your face. So what you can do is you can tap this. Along with that, you can say any affirmations that you want. You can say thanks, or you can even include a gratitude prayer if you want. And suppose if I have had a stress-free day, I say things like, I am stress-free, 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 I am stress-free. So like this, if you do 3 times, technique starts to really go into your subconscious, and if these are the points which are holding tension, the tension also tends to come out. It'll also give you a nice sleep. If you're somebody who's sleep deprived, I recommend you watch my pranayam on how to get sleep effectively. It's in the quick fix playlist, and you can also use these tappings to fall asleep faster, so you wake up fresh, and that will be reflected on your face for sure. So this was my quick EFT technique for facial yoga. I hope you all try it. In case you want to know how you can write your affirmations, please do comment below, and I can help you out with what affirmations you can use. You can use it for any disease. You can just use your gratitude prayer or just simply tap before you go to sleep. Of course, there is no restriction of you doing this only before going to sleep. I'm just saying that because it's an easier time to just relax and let go, and you'll feel the effect of it more. But if you want to take a break, you're in office or you're just chilling and you have 5 minutes, you can also do this tapping exercise. It's really effortless and you don't need anything, which is why it makes it one of my most favorite techniques to go to. I hope you have enjoyed. There are last 2 parts coming up of the facial yoga exercises. I hope you all enjoy. Until next time, see you right here on this platform. Namaste.